You work hard, play hard, treasure your free time, chill your drinks with style. Introducing Hypercool. It works like magic, but it's just beautiful physics.
I want my drinks cold, fast. So I came up with the idea for Hypercool, and it took me over 800 days, thousands of designs and 2,000 cans to bring Hypercool to you.
Hypercool. It's easy. Place your canned drink into the frozen insert and start the revolution. Chilled in 60 seconds. With friends, with family, outside, inside, anytime, anywhere. Enjoy every day with Hypercool. Whatever you do, Hypercool fits into your lifestyle. Set the frozen insert, add your favorite drinks, and start the revolution. All you hear is the sound of silence. Cold in 60 seconds, ice cold in 90 seconds. Whatever temperature you like, it's your choice with Hypercool. Why carry around a big heavy cooler when you can chill with style? Scandinavian design with revolutionary cooling technology. That's Hypercool. Hypercool's safe. Anyone can use it. Quality of your favorite drink stays perfect. Warm drinks are a thing of the past.
Robotics can take STEM education to uncharted levels, and it matters to our students. But how? How can we make robotics readily available for the young makers around the world? Our answer is to put a kit, software, and curriculum into their hands. Introducing the Roboterra Origin Kit, a complete collection for students to build their own unique robots while learning to code in the process. It's a tool to develop your imagination one piece at a time. With the Roboterra Origin Kit, students are able to assemble a real robot at school or at home with friends and teachers. At the same time, they can create robots in the virtual world as well. We don't just teach robotics, we also give our children the opportunity to learn programming. Combining hardware and software skills, Roboterra boosts creativity and empowers young makers to learn more.
And literally it changes the way you think about the world, because there's no cheating computer software logic. You can't kind of like take your logic and just wave your hands and get through it. You have to like think and break it down.
So fascinated that they were able to code something and build their own type of robot.
Human creativity is what we deeply believe the core of assets that everyone has.
Why wait for the public school system to implement robotics the way they should? There are already teachers ready to teach, there are already students ready to learn. Let's get going right now.
Bicycles are having a great comeback that seems to excite everyone, consumers and thieves alike. Last year, more than 3 million bikes were stolen all across Europe.
And the numbers of thefts are rising by about 8% each year. But the success rate in solving these cases is only between 2 and 6%. I am one of the founders of Troja Life Tracking Systems. In the modern world, we are surrounded by technology everywhere, and we found a way to use this technology to make this world a safer place.
But how to protect a bicycle? Our state-of-the-art tracking device, which was developed for government agencies, is the base of our Troja bike protection device. Our product can be tracked in over 44 countries by its owner. It's simple, unrecoverable, indestructible, directly wired to the authorities in the case of emergency, and offers several amazing extras.
The tracker is more or less the same as a mobile phone without a screen, which fits into a bike frame. We use a high-performance energy management system, so the battery only needs to be charged once a season.
SIM-on-chip technology offers worldwide coverage and improves the overall traceability. The device is water and shock-proof. It covers multi-satellite support for highest reliability. 1024-bit transmission ensures a high security level. All these features can be controlled in one simple and mobile-optimized user interface.
Troja Bike is incredibly simple to use. You buy the device, you download the Troja Bike app, snap a picture of the QR code to pair your device with the app. Remove the seat, put the Troja Bike tracker in your bike frame and lock the device with your app.
Troja Bike even allows you to track your children on the way to school, where it gives you the possibility to see where your loved ones currently are. You can also manage several bikes with one app. In order to use the Troja Bike device with another bike, just unlock it, put it into the new bike and lock it again. You can take a picture of your bike, enter your serial number, give it a name and much more. Even if you leave your bike unattended only for a moment, simply activate the motion sensor and you will get an alert whenever your bike is being moved.
Still using the old-fashioned way to measure sizes and distances? Measuring by yourself is always difficult. You get all sweaty. It's hard to know how to do it right. Either way, it can be a waste of time and effort. Feeling frustrated and bothered? Now you have a better measuring choice, the iPin Spatial Ruler. Run the iPin Spatial Ruler app. Plug the iPin Spatial Ruler into the iPhone headphone jack. Then you can easily measure spatial dimensions. Of course, you can save the measuring results and also instantly share them. It makes the discussions between you and your designers or even your mates easier. Never again worry about picking the wrong size of furniture. Snap the furniture you like and get its size with the iPin Spatial Ruler app. You'll know if it fits your home right away. You can edit the same places in different times and spaces, which saves you time. Make furnishing easy and with no more mistakes. Create lovely and comfortable living spaces on your own.